Hello, this is Gavin, the fire alarm guy. So, right now, I'm doing a fire alarm collection at my dad's house. This is what I have so far. Okay? And this is gonna be including the boxes that some of my alarms came in. Okay, so let's get into the boxes first. Okay? First is my WeWalk Exceeder box. It goes to this. Inside it has the mountain screws. Here's those. Okay, next up I have is another WeWalk Exceeder box, and this goes to the Renault horn, which is kind of beat up. Okay, and the next box I have is my Simplex 4251-20. Got spare keys, a glass brake rod, or a brake rod, doesn't seem like glass, a piece that came to my WeWalk Exceeder. Okay, and this next and last box is to my BG12S. Okay, so now let's get into the multiplication appliance that I have so far. First up is my WeWalk Exceeder horn strobe. And I have my WeWalk Exceeder Renault horn, which unfortunately got burned out. So that's why I have the horn strobe. Okay. And I have my Gentex GX90. Okay. Next up, I have my Firelight BG10L. And I have my Simplex 4251-20. Then last but not least, I have my BG12S. Okay, mine is open because the lock is kind of broken, and this is the hex switch that goes with it, which doesn't work like it used to. Okay, that is it for this video, and have a nice day.